A 2-month-old faceless AI music channel just crossed 27,000 subscribers. It is already earning over $300 a day from long-form videos. This proves the myth that YouTube demonetizes AI content is completely dead. The opportunity is massive right now, and the rules have changed. People think YouTube punishes AI content. That is simply not true. YouTube's own policy says AI-generated videos that follow the monetization rules are eligible. The channel in question has its thanks and join buttons live. That is the proof. You can check any niche yourself. If even one channel in that niche has those buttons, the niche is monetizable. This is not a fluke or a rare exception. It is a clear signal that the platform accepts this content type. For people building in this space, this removes the biggest risk. You can invest time into creating these channels without fearing a sudden demonetization wave. The rules are clear. Follow them, and you can earn. This changes the math for creators who want to build passive income streams without showing their faces. The barrier to entry is practically zero. You only need a good idea and consistent execution. The platform wants long watch times, and these videos deliver exactly that. The most important thing most people miss is that the background is the hook. Many viewers care more about the visual mood than the music itself. The background often matters more than the music. If you want to succeed, you must invest time in finding or creating compelling loops. You can use animated loops, real footage with VHS filters, or stable diffusion clips. The visual style sets the tone. It keeps people watching. You need to use tools to upscale your footage. You need to color grade it properly. You must make sure the loop is seamless. A jarring cut will make the viewer click away immediately. The music is just one part of the experience. The visual is what stops the scroll. Think about lo-fi study countdowns with cute animals. Think about lo-fi with Japanese anime neighborhoods. The visual defines the subniche. It creates the atmosphere the viewer is looking for. Without a strong visual, the music has no context. The best channels treat the visual as the primary product. The music simply supports the scene. The AI music niche is massive. It includes lo-fi, vaporwave, tropical chill-out, and jazz noir. But within each style, there are sub-niches. You cannot just target a broad category. The common mistake is picking a broad niche like lo-fi and expecting immediate growth. You need sub-niche specificity. A targetable audience is something like lo-fi study with cute cat countdown. Another example is vaporwave, synthwave night drive. These specific combinations attract dedicated viewers. To find these opportunities, you must use analytics tools. Check competition scores and hourly views. Filter videos by greater than 20 minutes. Filter by the last month. Filter by popularity. If you see a green score and regular view velocity, you have found your niche. This data-driven approach removes the guesswork. You're not guessing what people want. You're looking at what they are already watching. Low competition and high demand is the sweet spot. That is where you start. You let the data guide your creative choices. Now for the strategy. Pick a subniche you actually enjoy. Create a consistent visual style. Generate your music with AI tools. Then add a timer or countdown if it is a study or lo-fi style video. Title and describe your videos properly. This helps the algorithm understand your content. Then upload daily for 30 days. Daily uploads for the first month are critical for algorithm traction. If you do this right, the algorithm will push your videos. The channel we are looking at went from 0 to 40,000 daily views in just 4 weeks. Then it doubled that in another 4 weeks. This growth is replicable. It requires discipline. You need to produce content every single day. The algorithm rewards consistency and volume. It wants to see that you are an active creator. By uploading daily, you give the algorithm more chances to test your content with different audiences. You learn what works. You feed the machine. This is how you build momentum from nothing. You might worry about copyright issues. You should not. AI-generated music is original if you use proper prompts and avoid copying existing styles. YouTube's Content ID flags derivative works, but original AI compositions are safe. This is a huge advantage. You do not need to license tracks. You do not need to worry about labels claiming your revenue. You own the output if you prompt it correctly. This changes the economics of running a music channel. Previously, creators had to buy royalty-free music or risk strikes. Now, the music generation is part of the production pipeline. You can create a unique sound that belongs to your channel. You just need to be specific with your prompts. Do not ask the AI to copy a famous artist. Ask it to create a specific mood or genre. This keeps your channel safe and your revenue secure. It is a simple process that removes a massive headache. You control the entire product. The final step is testing and iterating. You should test 3 to 5 subniches with 10 videos each. Then double down on the one that gains traction. Volume plus quality wins. You test, you measure, and you iterate. The opportunity is wide open right now, but in 3 months, it might be crowded. The early movers have the advantage. You need to pick one subniche today. Create your first video today. Do not overthink the process. The barrier to entry is low, which means others will catch on. Speed is your friend. By testing multiple subniches at once, you let the audience decide for you. You do not fall in love with one idea. You follow the data. Once you see traction, you pour all your energy into that one subniche. You scale it up. You refine the visuals. You refine the music. This is how you build a sustainable channel. The opportunity is open now, but will not last forever. Watch how AI music generation tools evolve over the next few months. Track which visual styles retain viewers the longest. Your first step is choosing a subniche. Make it today.